To cancel your LinkedIn account, you should head to linkedin.com and then log into your account on the desktop or mobile device. Then tap your profile, which is located right here, the top right, and select Access My Premium. It will lead you to the site right here, which you can see on the left corner. It has subscription button. After pressing that is you need to change your manage premium account. Press this one. After that, it will prompt you again to this site right here. Then on the bottom, you can see the cancel subscription. After pressing that one is that you need to just click the cancel subscription, and it will you just follow the prompts that are given. I think it will um, question you or ask you why you are canceling your subscription, and just a confirmation from you whether you want to cancel your subscription.